Let's talk about the IELTS exam and some of the best available preparation materials. Preparation for the IELTS can be overwhelming. However, it doesn't have to be. If you've got the patience and the determination and also the right books, you can actually get a fantastic score in the IELTS. Today, I will be talking about some of the best materials that I have used and that we are recommending to all the students at our institute. Let's start learning. Alright, so there are a lot of things that you can do to prepare for the IELTS exam, and the books or the resources are one of the most important ones. Most of them will cover all aspects of the exam. Some of them got sample questions, answers, and also some good strategies. So let's take a look. The first and the most important book that I would always recommend is this one here, the Official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. This is suitable for both the academic and also the general training. It is designed to give you a high score in the IELTS exam because it's got some good, fancy, colorful things inside, but these colorful things are basically strategies. You can very clearly see how to solve each different question, be it in the academic or also in the general. I have used it and I really like this book. If you are looking for something serious, go ahead for it. It is basically very helpful if you are a beginner. Okay. The next is the Official Cambridge books. Okay. Cambridge has released around 14 or 15 volumes. At the time of recording this video, I think there were around 15 volumes, okay, of books that are released. These are authentic and prepared by the same people who are preparing the exam. Try to always look for these volumes, they're very useful. It looks something like this one. You can see that it is Official Cambridge English from their press, and these are different versions. The one I have, which I'm showing it right now, is volume 6. It goes all the way up to volume 15, and I don't know if there is anything more than 15. It has got good tips inside, but the one thing which I don't like is there is no exact strategy that should be used. It's very good for practice. So what I would say is use the previous one to learn and use this one for practice, because this one has around 4 practice tests in each volume. The next is the Official IELTS practice materials. Now you might find it quite helpful if you are preparing for the IELTS exam, whether it be a last minute thing or you've got a couple of months. These can be ordered only from the IELTS website. I will give links to it in the description below. It is basically, you will have a volume 1 and a volume 2 of the practice materials. With the CD, you have everything, all the different 4 modules inside. IELTS has developed 2 sets of official practice materials, like I said. Try these out. It will cost a bit, but it is very useful and you can try it out. Before I jump into the next few good practice materials, if you're getting some value out of this video, please make sure to like it. We would love to have you on our YouTube community. For that, all you need to do is just subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get on. The next book which I like, or rather the next course which I like, is Road to IELTS. This is an interactive online course. The Road to IELTS is a preparation guide that offers a lot of mock papers, tutorial videos, and other interactive exercises. It is available in 3 different versions. The first test drive is a free download giving you an idea of what IELTS is all about. The second is last minute. This is free only for those who register for the IELTS with the British Council. Finally, the full version includes every single thing. This is a good practice material and it's not very commonly used, but if you are registering for an exam, then you will get good, or rather free, access to this one. So try it out. The next is an app on the phone. This is called the IELTS Prep app. This is easy to use. and it gives you instant access to free practice tests, grammar tips, exercises, etc. You will also get sample questions for listening, reading, writing, and speaking. In addition to it, you can also track your progress to help you understand how much you are prepared for the IELTS exam. The next is IELTS Word Power. Now this is a new version of Word Power app. The Word Power app was specially designed as an aid for test takers to improve their range as well as the complexity of their vocabulary. This is very rarely used, but something that you can actually search for on the Play Store or the Apple Store. Remember, it's IELTS Word Power. And the last one is, yes, that's right, the official IELTS website. If you go onto this website, you can get a full idea of the different parts of the exam. You can also get some free practice tests. It's not a lot, but it's quite helpful. And yes, there is also a bonus place, which is us. We are using all the authentic materials from IELTS. We take all these different books that I've just mentioned before, we combine all of it, and we put it on our student portal. Whatever we do is purely authentic. So if you are just registering with us, you don't have to worry about getting authentic material. All you have to do is log on to our website and sign up with us. That's it for today. If you have enjoyed this video, then please feel free to share it with your friends. You can get in touch with us either by dropping in your feedback in the comment section or by using that contact form in the comment section right below. That's about it. Do check out some of our other videos on our channel as well. That's it from Genesis Learning this week. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm your trainer, Noel, and I will see you for the next video.